Hi, my name is Nina and I am making a princess cake today, and my sister Bai can help me if I get a problem. Yeah. Hi! Last night we made two sponge cakes and I was hungry, so I had to eat some off the top. This is the first bit done. Even we've got to put the star on the cake, but we wrapped her legs up and feet in clean foil. So you need to scoop some out like that. Yep, you're doing it correct. I'm eating it. Okay. I like it though. So I'm eating it. Oh. Oh! Wow. Oh, you're getting this out. Oh.
There we go.
Oh yeah. It's working, but this is coming out. This is what we do if their legs are still showing up. Now we're going to put the icing on. Hey, I need your help.
Okay, and let go and squeeze again.
Next thing is put some sprinkles on. Sprinkles on now. I'm patting it in because it doesn't stick. It's really weird. This is really weird. Feels really. Finish the princess cake. Ta-da!